Hello! Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make these really cute glow-in-the-dark Halloween decorations. So let's go ahead and let's get cutting. Right? I can't wait to see what you end up doing with some glow-in-the-dark heat transfer vinyl. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you back on the next tutorial. Bye!